we have been running our organic chemistry class, and this is organic stoichiometry. So we'll be solving this JAMB first question. Now the question is how many moles of oxygen are required to burn 1 mole of 6,6H12 completely. Now we can actually know that this compound 6,6H12 is coming from its alkane, coming from what? Alkane. Then the general formula for alkane is CnH2n. Okay, this is alkene. Okay, this is what alkene, because it's having what? Double bond, and this is C6H12 because it's losing what? Two 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 number of hydrogen here. Using what? Two number of hydrogen. It's made to what? Alkene. Okay, then for us to solve this question effectively, we must use combustion formula. Let me write it. Combustion formula. Okay, we must use what? Combustion formula. Okay, we must use what? Combustion formula. So now, what did combustion formula say? Now let me write this combustion formula now so you can actually notice it for your exam sake. Now he said that CX H y plus open bracket, you have the x plus y over 4 bracket close. Now this is what? O2. Will now still give you like this. Now we also have for XO2 plus y over 2 H2O. Now this is what? Combustion formula. This is what? Combustion method. You can actually use to solve this question accurately. Remember, this question is coming from organic stoichiometry. No, it's under what? Organic chemistry. If you have enrolled for our organic chemistry class, this question will be very easier for you. The reason why I'm doing this video, because I promised our students that I'm also going to release video under this topic. So let's continue. So when we have achieved this formula, then we are also going to write for C equals to 6 here. Then we have for H. Now H equals to 12. Now let's write the formula effectively here. We have that X H y plus open bracket x plus y over 4 bracket close. This is oxygen, giving the same thing as XO2 plus y over 2 H2O. Now this is what? Combustion formula. I hope you guys are following. This is what? Combustion formula. Then now let's just input this C here, where we see X, H, where we see Y. Now let's go now. We have that C6 H12 plus open brackets. This is 6 plus 12 over 4 O2, giving the same thing as. Now what is our C here? Our X is as 6. Okay, 6 O2 plus 12 over 2, which is H2O. Now this is C6H12 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. We have it 9 oxygen here to give us the same thing as 6O2 here plus 6H2O. Now this is what? The reaction that it formed afterward, the combustion. Now this is what? A balanced equation. Okay, this is what? A balanced equation. Now remember the question is how many moles of oxygen are required to burn 1 mole of C6H12 completely. So now what we are trying to solve, we are trying to know how many moles of oxygen can require to burn how many moles of what? 1 mole of C6H12. Now let me also what shock you now. Remember that 1 mole of C6H12 will be equivalent to how many? To 9 moles of oxygen. Are you getting me? Friends, how many means that 1 mole of C6H12 will yield how many? It will yield the same thing as 9 mole of oxygen. So now for us to solve this question effectively, from the complete combustion reaction, what happens there? It now means that only 1 mole of what? Of hexane will yield how many? 9 mole of oxygen here. Okay? It now means that this 1 mole of this will represent how many? 9 mole of what? Oxygen. So now for us to get our answer, we now say that therefore 1 mole of 6H12 will burn 9 moles of oxygen completely. So now here is the answer. It now means that therefore 1 mole of 6H12 will burn 9 moles of oxygen completely. So now this is the answer. The answer is, it should be what? 9 moles of what? Oxygen completely. So please endeavor to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.